All right, WMC, this is the video to find our mini spots, our mini winners for the Bill Hall Tracksuit Bobble. So we'll check the time July 11th at 5:52 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have July 11th at 5:52 p.m. There is the list of our 78 entries. We are looking for the top 5 after the final roll. We'll all win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Once again, looking for the top 5. It is JJ, Roger, John, Scott, and Robert. So JJ, you will have first pick. I think it was 15. Let me get to the top again here. What was it? 15 spots right off the bat. So again, there is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 11th, 5:53 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.